Alright guys, so we're doing a video for a Thanksgiving roast. So I'm going to tenderize that with a little bit of crushed pineapple here. So my plan is to cut it right in between here, not all the way through, just so enough the pineapple juice can seep in there and tenderize the meat. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then we'll cook it into the Instant Pot. So stay tuned. So here are the veggies going in there, and then we're going to put in some organic bouillon here, and then the meat is now tenderizing. As you can see, there's the pineapple in there. The meat is actually getting really soft. It's almost ready. So it's in there now. It is on 20 minutes, low pressure, and just wait. Guys, it is all done. Take a look there. You can see the meat is like very tender. All right, so here's the roast all cut up. I also made some carrots with it, as you can see. We'll do a quick taste test. Carrots have all the seasoning. Now, as you can see, this roast has quite a bit of this sinews in there. Okay, and there's the piece. Let's do a quick taste test. I'm hoping the pineapple actually made it a little bit softer. Wow, that definitely is softer. So tender. And like melts in your mouth. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe. This is the sauce that I made with it. So you add a little starch to it, thicken it up, and make it sort of like a gravy to go on top of it.